Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing any loose chunks and combing the bristles so solvents can reach every fiber. Once done, heat about 1 cup of water until warm. Boiling damages glue at the ferrule. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap to help break surface tension and submerge only the bristles, not the ferrule. Let the brush sit for 10 to 15 minutes while the warm, soapy water softens paint. This opening step gets the process moving quickly and preserves the handle and ferrule integrity. After softening, you need to extract the loosened paint from the bristle roots. Use a brush comb, old fork, or a stiff toothpick to pry particles outward. Next, choose the correct solvent: acrylic cleaner or warm water for water-based paint, mineral spirits or brush restorer for oil-based. Dip only the bristles and gently agitate, then comb again to remove residue. Repeat short soaks and combing cycles, making sure to check flexibility. This stage removes the bulk of the buildup and restores movement. Finish by rinsing the brush until water runs clear. If you use solvent, follow with soap and warm water to remove residues. Carefully reshape the tip with your fingers to rebuild the original point or edge, then spin or tap out excess moisture and lay the brush flat or hang it bristles down to dry, never upright with water in the ferrule. Test on scrap material to confirm flexibility. If stiffness persists, repeat targeted solvent soaks or use a commercial brush restorer as the key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.